Hi, Dave with Rooke Products. I'm going to do an in-service on our AKA Stump Protector. The AKA Stump Protector is for immediate post-op use and also for limb protection. The end cap is very well padded, so it's going to give a nice layer of protection for your patient. What we've done is we've added in a spacer along with the end cap being able to be removed with the 3 strips of Velcro. You can adjust this to fit almost any length of the AK that you need to for your patient. So let's say we need to put one of the spacers in, pull this up. Now for the width, when we pull this flap across, there's double stitch lines. We include some scissors for you so that you can cut it instead of folding it, but cut it for the patient's limb width. Velcro it over. Now we have the waist belt in here. As soon as the surgery is over and you're in the transfer process, you can slide this around the back of your patient, keep it above the pannus, and Velcro it over. Now there is a lot of excess on this, so we can accommodate a fairly large patient. If you don't need all of that excess, you can trim it off. We also put in 2 leg straps. Fold this down, you Velcro on both sides, so it Velcros to itself, and then it will Velcro to the protected device. Now, because of the conical shape of the limb, it's kind of hard to keep things on and keep it up. So we have made this very soft so it can be worn in bed. Unlike the strap that we've included, the waist belt strap for the BKA, that's a little bit more rigid. We don't recommend that being worn in bed. This one you can, because we want to be able to keep that protected device up. We've also put in another leg strap so you can kind of do a V on it. Put this on, do a V, keep it up a little bit better. So that's the in-service. Below you'll see my name, phone number, email. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss receiving a sample of the product, please either call me, text me, or send me an email. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll look forward to visiting with everyone real soon.